Hey everyone, we're gonna make some cottage cheese buttery cookies. So good that you can make triple the amount of dough. We're gonna need some cottage cheese, flour, butter, lemon zest, baking powder, and some sugar. So cottage cheese, room temperature butter, and lemon zest into the mixer with paddle attachment for 5 minutes. Make sure you remember to scrape the sides of the bowl, and then you can rebeat it again for a minute or so. Make sure all the butter and stuff does not stick to the thing. So baking powder into the flour, mix it, and let's put it into our mixing bowl. Now we will switch from a paddle attachment into a dough hook, and that's it. Over medium, or from medium to low speed. Your dough should look like this, not sticky. I did have to add another tablespoon of flour. Just go by 1 tablespoon. It should not stick to your hands. It should look nice in a clean bowl. You can do this by hand if you'd like, but I have the convenience, why not? This should work perfectly fine, or if you're not too if you're kind of worried that it might stick, then you can add a little bit of flour on the bottom. So let's roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. You can do it a little thinner if you'd like. Just, don't have to be too perfect. I got my girls ready to put out the cookies, and because this is their favorite cookies, of course they're gonna help me do this. And so we just roll out our cookie dough, then place it on sugar, and then just fold it. That's it, y'all, and put it on the baking sheet and just continue with the rest. Yum. So then place it on your parchment paper and continue with the rest. I try to use pretty large cookie cutter. So yeah, place them to bake on 350, probably 340 if your oven is too hot, and for about 30 minutes, and they are ready. Delicious, so good. My kids want to eat the whole thing. So yeah, they're that good. Especially kids have fun cutting out the cookies and playing with the dough and all that. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.